Really good. Hey you guys, I'm about to fry some chicken, okay? So I'm gonna start by seasoning my chicken with some Lawry's. I don't have Tony Sachet, so I'm just gonna use this, okay? Season your chicken with whatever you like to use. Very quick, y'all. Some garlic powder. Alright. Season however you like. You can put some black pepper. Okay. And every season, mix it up. Make sure you mix it up good. Okay. Then you get you some good old mustard. Okay. Okay. Coat it like that. It's very quick, y'all. Very quick. Okay. So you have that. All right, so it's very quick. You can add some more seasoning if you like. Sprinkle a little bit more seasoning on there. Add your flour. Boom. Well, that took less than a minute and a half, maybe, to prep. Doesn't take long at all. Sometimes we make things so difficult when it's not that hard. Coat your chicken. Just like that. All right, y'all, so I'm trying something different, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead, that's my grease, okay? Yeah. I'll just put it all in there once. Just make sure your grease is hot enough. Just let it deep fry, y'all. Okay, that's all my wings. But listen, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna put some chopped onions in there. Let's see if that adds some flavor to it, y'all. Yeah, you gotta get creative sometimes. Listen, I did all this within 2.5, 3 minutes. There we go. Let it cook. All right, y'all. Turn my fire down. Look at here. Look at here. Woo! You gotta change it up sometimes. When it starts floating to the top, that's when you know it's done. All right, y'all. Scoop your onions out of the pot. You can sprinkle you some garlic powder. Just a tad bit. I already put some black pepper and some seasoning. So listen, you mix that up. So good. It's also going to give you chicken some flavor too. Good. All right, this is the finished product. Like I said, you'll know it's done when it starts floating to the top. Look how nice and crispy that looks. Then you have your onions down there. Spice it up a little. Ooh. From Louisiana. I like the spice, the kick. All right. As you can see. Look at that smoke. Ooh. It's hot. Let's see that smoke. A little bit more. If you want to kick it up, let it soak a little bit. Look at this. at that. Mm. All right, y'all. So I have my wings with Tabasco sauce. Really good. Spicy, just like I like it. Quick and easy. Ranch. Of course, I got me a water. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see more videos like this. Look at the smoke. Try it. When y'all try it, y'all let me know. Hot. If you're looking for something quick to do for your family, you can do this one in 20 minutes. That's including prep time. I'm done. You guys, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Listen, I have more content to come. I have more motivational videos coming. I'm taking a little break from that, but I do have more coming because that's my true purpose on this app. Okay, so listen, I have that coming. I also have clothing hauls coming. I also have more cooking videos coming. So listen, y'all, stay tuned. Tell me what you want to see more of so I can, you know, dish it out. So listen, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. Y'all be blessed.